Good morning, friends. As you all know, this week we are working on rhyming words. So the past two lessons that you've done, you've watched videos and you've answered some questions to show which words rhyme. Today we're going to be doing rhyming words in a poem. So this poem is called 5 Enormous Dinosaurs. So we are going to read the poem and then we are going to make a list over here of all the words that rhyme. Remember, rhyming words are words that sound the same at the end. They don't have to be spelled the same at the end. Usually they are, but they have to sound the same. So you're going to have to make sure your listening ears are on, and you're going to listen to me read this. I'll read it once all the way through, and the second time we'll go through and find the rhyming words. 5 enormous dinosaurs letting out a roar. One went away, and then there were 4. 4 enormous dinosaurs crashing down a tree. One went away, and then there were 3. 3 enormous dinosaurs eating tiger stew. One went away, and then there were 2. 2 enormous dinosaurs trying hard to run. One went away, and then there was 1. 1 enormous dinosaur afraid to be a hero. He went away, and then there were 0. So this time we're going to read it again, and we're going to make a list of the words that we hear that rhyme. 5 enormous dinosaurs letting out a roar. One went away, and then there were 4. Did we hear any words that sounded the same at the end? I did. I heard the word roar and 4. Now, even though roar and 4 are not spelled the same at the end, they sound the same. R, or, f, or. Okay, so this part of the word sounds the same. 4 enormous dinosaurs crashing down a tree. One went away, and then there were 3. What rhyming words did we hear? I heard tree and 3. Now, even though they do not have the exact same spelling throughout the whole word, the end is the same, and that's what matters. R-E-E, R-E, and they make the same sound. Tree, 3. 3 enormous dinosaurs eating tiger stew. One went away, and then there were 2. Find the words that sound the same. Stew and 2. Now these words are not spelled the same at the end, but they sound the same, and that's what matters. Stew and 2. 2 enormous dinosaurs trying hard to run. One went away, and then there was 1. Which words rhyme? 2 enormous dinosaurs trying hard to run. One went away, and then there was 1. I hear run and 1. Run and 1. And they do not have the same spelling at the end either, but they sound the same. 1 enormous dinosaur afraid to be a hero. He went away, and then there were 0. Think about the words that sound the same at the end. 1 enormous dinosaur afraid to be a hero. He went away, and then there were 0. Hero and 0. And they do have the same spelling at the end. E-R-O. Hero and 0. Today, for your assignment, you guys are going to be doing another poem. I'm going to post a video of me reading the poem out loud. And what you guys are going to do is take a piece of paper and a pencil and make a list just like we did of all the rhyming words that you hear, and then you're going to upload a picture of your work.